In today's discussion, we delve into the complex and often troubling behavior patterns exhibited by individuals with narcissistic traits, particularly focusing on their attitudes towards household responsibilities and the impact on their partners. Narcissism, a personality disorder characterized by an inflated sense of self-importance, a deep need for excessive attention and admiration, coupled with a lack of empathy for others, often leads to challenging dynamics within domestic settings. At the heart of the issue is the narcissist's perception of domestic chores, such as cooking, cleaning, and organizing. These tasks are often viewed by the narcissist as beneath them, delegating them to their partners regardless of the latter's workload or well-being. This attitude stems from a deep-seated sense of entitlement and superiority, where they believe such mundane tasks are not worthy of their time or effort. This behavior is compounded when the partner is also an income earner. Despite both parties contributing financially, the narcissist often shirks domestic responsibilities, leaving a disproportionate share of household management to their partner. They may feign exhaustion or overstate their workplace challenges to justify their lack of participation at home. A specific manifestation of this behavior is the deliberate creation of messes with the expectation that their partner will clean up. This act is not just a shirking of responsibility, but a subtle form of control and belittlement. By leaving a mess, the narcissist indirectly communicates to their partner that their role is to serve and clean up after them, reinforcing a power imbalance within the relationship. Moreover, when confronted about their lack of participation in household chores, narcissists often resort to excuses or feigned incompetence. This tactic, known as weaponized incompetence, involves deliberately performing a task poorly so that their partner will not ask them to do it again. For instance, if asked to cook, they might prepare the meal incorrectly, creating additional work for their partner. This behavior is a calculated effort to avoid future responsibilities and maintain control. Another troubling aspect is the lack of hygiene some narcissists exhibit. They may neglect personal grooming or household cleanliness, creating an uncomfortable and sometimes unsanitary living environment. When their partner addresses these issues, the narcissist might react defensively, perceiving it as an attack on their character, further straining the relationship. This behavior pattern significantly impacts the mental and emotional well-being of their partners. The constant burden of managing household responsibilities, coupled with the emotional toll of living with a narcissist, can lead to feelings of exhaustion, resentment, and a sense of being undervalued. Psychologists and researchers have studied these dynamics extensively. Studies in personality disorders and domestic relationships highlight the detrimental effects of living with a narcissistic partner, including increased stress, anxiety, and a decrease in self-esteem. The unequal distribution of household labor, often seen in relationships with narcissistic individuals, contributes to these negative outcomes. In conclusion, the narcissistic disregard for household responsibilities is a multifaceted issue with deep psychological roots. It reflects the narcissist's need for control, entitlement, and lack of empathy. For those living with narcissistic partners, understanding these behaviors is crucial in recognizing the dynamics at play and seeking appropriate support and strategies to cope with these challenging circumstances. As always, it's essential to prioritize one's mental health and seek professional help if needed.